Param Shanti. What is Sahaj Raj Yoga? What is the real meaning of it? And how it can be practiced in daily life for self transformation is explained here in this video. It is the fact that now there are many high quality souls from galaxy, universes, multiverses are present on earth, and Behad souls are also present on earth. But all of them have forgotten their originality and returned part to their original abode in higher dimensions. Now all are roaming on earth in the darkness of ignorance. All souls are entangled in various karmic bondages and lost their track to escape from the cage of darkness. Now souls have no power and even nobody knows what soul consciousness is. In the name of spirituality, many spiritual institutions, even though attracting with the promise to free them from the darkness of ignorance and realization of soul consciousness, but souls are pushed more into the darkness of ignorance. Now souls on earth are directionless and aimless. In this video, Bapuji has explained in detail how the souls can realize soul consciousness and return to their original abode in higher dimensions. Ignorance means darkness. Knowledge about soul and supreme soul is known as supreme spiritual knowledge. It is like glowing sunlight in the mid of deep darkness. This light of supreme knowledge will guide souls from the darkness to divinity of pure soul consciousness and help every soul to return to their original supreme abode to their creator. In order to reach a state of soul consciousness, a soul requires infinite ocean of knowledge of Supreme Father so that the soul can dive deep into the secrets of divinity of pure bliss of soul, and soul glows with the power of trillions and trillions of suns. One must search for the supreme knowledge, that means who can give such divine knowledge on earth which can empower the soul with the pure soul consciousness by removing all darkness. Souls should not stop at limited knowledge, which seems like a bucket of water, but search for the ocean of knowledge where souls can delve deep into the ocean to find the beautiful shining pearls of knowledge that can remove all darkness around the pure divine soul. Bucket like limited knowledge will never help a soul to come out of a darkness of ignorance. For high quality souls, they cannot be satisfied with the small knowledge of this solar system written in our scriptures or 5,000 years of world drama. Who can give such knowledge? It is none other than Almighty Authority, the Supreme Father, who is the creator of this infinite boundless creation. Behad souls searching for supreme knowledge must know who Almighty Authority is. So knowledge is the criteria to identify a soul's type or category, whether a general worldly soul or a Behad soul. One must shun the path of devotion filled with ignorance and adopt the path of supreme knowledge by understanding the deep knowledge of a soul by telling the facts of science and scriptures. Blindly following some knowledge does not yield any result, so blind devotion must be stopped. That's why in Srimad Bhagavad Gita it is clearly told that no one can reach Supreme Father or Almighty Authority through any rituals like chanting, names, penance or meditation, but through right knowledge only. This requires very fine intelligence which can differentiate between truth and false. Only such souls having fine intelligence can reach to the Almighty. This is a knowledge which takes a soul to its creator in true sense. That means a soul knows who he or she really is, where he or she has come from. In the path of devotion, soul cannot go to such deeper level of spiritual knowledge but gets some knowledge on scriptures only. So one should always follow the path of supreme knowledge only. Through supreme knowledge, all questions of soul is answered, such as what is the source and cause of this vast creation like solar system, galaxy, universe, multiverse, and why we are here and how we all have come to this earth. Also why the creation on earth is filled with all negativity and has fallen to such low level where all people are fighting and killing each other like mad persons. How to transform this negative mortal creation to self-sustained, everlasting divine creation. There are very deep secrets of creation known as Raz in Hindi. Once a soul understands the knowledge as well as who the Almighty Authority is and practically walks on the path of knowledge while carrying out day-to-day activities, then soul can connect with Almighty Authority. Connection means yoga. Through yoga, a soul gets power in its soul, which removes the darkness of ignorance surrounding the divine effulgent soul. This is known as Raj Yoga, a true path of knowledge to Almighty Authority. This is also described in Bhagavad Gita, but its true meaning has been explained here. It is a royal path to Almighty while living in this world, constantly remembering Almighty. The path of devotion gives only very limited knowledge to a soul. Here a soul learns only about those which are written in the scriptures, such as about 4 yugas, Satyug, Treta Yuga, Dwapar Yuga, Kal Yuga, and events occurred in those yugas like stories on deities, gods and goddesses, etc. Maximum knowledge a soul gets in the path of devotion, Bhakti Marg, is up to this solar system and to some extent about this galaxy. This knowledge is minuscule before the supreme knowledge, where the soul comes across a vast knowledge of infinite boundless creation beyond multiverses, where this solar system is minute particle. This limited knowledge in the path of devotion never takes a soul to Almighty Authority, the ultimate truth and ultimate source of power. So secrets remain secret for the soul in the path of devotion. In the path of devotion, a soul knows about Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar, Shiv, and maximum up to Mahashiv. But in the path of supreme knowledge, there are infinite number of solar systems, galaxies, universes, multiverses, and even beyond multiverses, infinite generations, that is PD of the creations. So infinite numbers of Shiv, Mahashiv, Param Mahashiv exist in this creation. So Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar, who are worshipped in the path of devotion, are insignificant entities in the path of supreme knowledge. The ultimate creator of this vast creation, right from the atom-like solar system to the grand size higher PDs of creation, is Almighty Authority, whose energy is potent everywhere in the creation. So the source of this infinite supreme knowledge is Almighty Authority. Behad souls cannot be satisfied with the limited knowledge of Shiv or Mahashiv, but search for this ultimate supreme knowledge which reveals the secret of this infinite boundless creation. This knowledge cannot be disseminated by anyone else other than Supreme Father, Almighty Authority. The path of devotion or any spiritual institution will never satisfy the hunger of knowledge of Behad souls. The deep spiritual quest of Behad souls will at last bring them to this supreme knowledge. Every soul has to come to this knowledge after experiencing failure and despair everywhere on earth. This supreme knowledge explains the real secret of beginning, middle, and end of this infinite boundless creation. This can only be explained none other than Supreme Father, that is Behad ke Baap, Almighty Authority, who is the ultimate master creator. Now soul is immersed in darkness of deep ignorance, so soul has no power of tolerance and patience, so forget about the divinity of soul. This state of soul is known as Tamo state. When soul acquires supreme knowledge and connects with Almighty, then it gets the power in its soul, so the soul gets partially enlightened. This state is called Rajo state. As the power from Almighty pours into the soul through yoga, the darkness of ignorance is completely removed and soul realizes its true divinity, known as Sato state. Presently, souls is even not aware of soul consciousness as nobody has realized it. In this powerless state, the soul is repeatedly subjected to cycles of birth and death of human body, result in entanglement in the illusion of 5-element creation. The soul has now accumulated unlimited karmic bondages with their bodily relations after so many cycles of birth and death. Now the soul on earth is facing only sorrow, despair, pain as their karmic accounts unfold before them from all the sides, so souls are feeling helpless. In such a perplexed situation, souls are in deep trouble and their conditions are deteriorating day by day. This is a time to follow the spiritual path and aim for the self-transformation that will result in ending all the problems, despair, and sorrow in life. It will take you to the life-changing experience when you take an affirmation and make strong determination of not add any more karmic accounts by detaching yourself from all the bodily relations and connecting with one, the Almighty. Thank you so much. Param Shanti.